Okay, it's totally dark out. It's like 7:15 and I don't like that it's this dark out at 7:15. The sun should already be up, but just my opinion, you know, maybe some people like it when the sun rises at noon and then sets at 1 p.m. That's just not my thing. But anyway, today is, well, first of all, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the low quality. I can't help it. I can't control the mother nature, but today is my last day of high school, like ever, pretty much. At least my last day of high school classes, because I'm doing like a dual enrollment thing second semester. So my last day of classes at my high school that I'm at right now is today, and I have one finals today because I took all of my other finals in class, so I don't even have to go in for finals week this week, but I have like a normal day of school today, and then I have this one in class final, and then that's it. So great. I just thought it would be fun to vlog my last day of high school because, you know, it's a memorable moment in a person's life, and like, why not have it on video footage? But first of all, normally I don't leave for school this early. This is actually the last time I'll be going to school, like high school, you know what I'm saying. But I'm leaving early because I have to get gas because my gas light came on last night and I didn't want to get gas in the dark. So I had to get up early and get gas so I don't stall out or whatever in the middle of the road. Also, there's a Dutch Bros coffee that's opening right on my drive to school. So of course I missed that. And of course it opens like right after I leave. That's so infuriating, but that's okay. I'll see you in a bit. I'm at the gas station, which is good because obviously desperately need gas.
That's why I'm at the gas station.
Okay, that sentence was just a big loop back to the beginning, but whatever. Look how funny this is at this gas station. Do you see that? There's literally a green do not enter sign, which I just think is so funny because it's like an oxymoron in real life, if that makes sense, because you know green means go, but then it says do not enter. So like, I find that kind of funny. I've always thought that was funny for like the years that I've lived here. Every time we've driven past this gas station, I always see that. I'm like, it's a green do not enter sign. So there's a fun story. That took such a long time, but I mean, I did have to fill up 13.891 gallons, so you know, that's full tank. Anyway, I don't really know how I feel about like this being my last day of high school. It just like, I don't know, it hasn't hit me yet, and I think that's because it's nobody else's last day of high school, so I'm not getting like the group senioritis, if that makes sense. Yeah, but I don't know, we'll see if I get sad, get nostalgic, get happy later on. I don't know. I'm more happy. I think I'm happy. Yeah, joyful, gleeful, joyous. I don't know, I don't really get sad over things like this. Okay, I'll see you at lunch. Oh, wow. So it's later, it's actually a lot later because I came home from my last day, I almost said my first day of school, but I came home from my last day of school. And then I got into bed and I accidentally fell asleep, and then I ate dinner, and now we're here and it's nighttime out. And you know, the last day of school was pretty good. It was a little bit weird. I don't know how to explain it. It was just weird because I took my one final, which went fine because I studied. So like, study if you want to pass your finals. It seems like a logical thing, but you know, a lot of people don't do that. Anyway, it was good, you know, it was a good last day. I did not cry. Like, literally nothing exciting happened. So I'm like trying to think of the most like memorable things that happened in high school because, you know, it's my last day. I think we should like, what's it called, reminisce? Let's go through my camera roll and just see, because this is how I remember things, is just looking through my camera roll, because technology is ruining our brains now. I can't remember anything. Everything I did. Oh my gosh. So basically everything that happened in high school was terribly embarrassing. That's what I can take from these experiences. High school is weird because it's like only 4 years of your life, but like so much stuff happens, and with like technology you can literally see everything that happened, which is kind of scary, but whatever. Anyway, I can't think of anything terribly memorable about these past 3.5 years that wasn't terribly embarrassing. So let's talk about what I've learned in high school. I learned math. You know what's weird thinking about it is like everybody now that's like 17 or 16 or whatever is like, quote, smarter than like people who lived 1,000 years ago, but that's just because some person invented calculus and now we all know about it because we're forced to learn about it. Isn't that weird? I think it is. Also, while I'm on my phone, I'm gonna tell you a song that defined each year of my high school experience. Freshman year, I'm gonna go with Closer by the Chainsmokers. Sophomore year, I'm gonna go with No Limit by G-Eazy and Cardi B. Or Chateau by Black Bear. Junior year, let's see, I'm gonna go with Sweetener by Ariana Grande and Thank You Next also by Ariana Grande and Seven Rings by Ariana Grande. And then this year I'm gonna go with Monopoly also by Ariana Grande because clearly my music taste is very, what's the word?
Spread apart.
There was my music, basically the top songs from my Spotify Wrapped of each year, so... But I've gotten like so obsessed lately, like within the past like 2 days, of writing with that like calligraphy handwriting that everyone like uses in all of their artsy cute little things, and I've been like trying to teach myself how to do it, and now I'm kind of obsessed with it. But I'm just gonna plan some videos now, but I'll just show you. Well, if you're ever looking for a way to kill time, then calligraphy. Do it. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this random, last day of high school video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment something fun, and bye.